why do I need to have a different life? Why do I want to have a different life? You created that yourself. Do you think that could be beneficial for someone that maybe isn't in a situation where it's life or death, but it's more so they need to envision for themselves what kind of life they want and why it matters to them?
I regularly deal with businesses and companies where it was started by an individual and their children are now stepping up and coming into the business. And the first challenge that people have is, does my child want to do what I did?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's number one. Presuming they do, then it's about not necessarily just giving the keys to the child and say, hey, this is all yours, do whatever you want.
Yeah.
It has to be more about, hey, this is what I've started. What can you do to continue the success? And more importantly, what can you do to expand the success? What would you change and make it your own?
Yeah.
Okay. Just because we've done it this way for 50 years doesn't mean that we have to do it for the next 50 years.
Yeah.
Take what's good, take what's tried and true, but also make it a little bit of your own and bring some new ideas to the place. And I think, to me, that's the most important thing that you can do as a successor if you're going to step into that position, to say, okay, I appreciate, Dad or Mom, what you've done to get this business started, but I have a couple ideas and I want to implement those gradually in. So that would be my suggestion to someone who is in that particular spot.